Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn from Creative Appliques. Welcome to my channel. I had a massive box show up and I can't wait to share with you what's inside. So if you're intrigued on what I have inside here, stay tuned. All right, so what are your guesses? What do you think's in this box? A new machine? That would be super cool. Lots of stabilizer? Well, let's get into it and let's see. I'm very excited about this. All right, so what's in here is the entire collection, 288 spools of the exquisite designs in machine embroidery thread. Look at these amazing colors. Look how gorgeous this is. So this is box 1 of 3. This is box 2 of 3. Now if you can see, there's 3 boxes in here, 4 boxes in here. So you're only seeing the front and the back. There are 2 more boxes in here. 2 of 3 and 3 of 3. Look at how gorgeous these are. I am so excited about this. I have never in my entire embroidery career, and it's been over 17 years, have I had an entire collection, an entire line of embroidery thread. So I'm super excited about this. And I have used exquisite thread before, and it is amazing. Don't have thread shredding, I don't have thread breaking, all of the issues that can happen with thread. This is great thread. So I would love to know in the comments, how do you store your thread? Do you store it by brand? Do you sort it by color? Do you store it by number? I would love to know in the comments how you store yours, because I'm going to need to figure out how to organize all of this and store it. So I have a link down below if you want to go to the Designs and Machine Embroidery website and get some of the exquisite thread for yourself. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate your time. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below and that bell to be notified when I upload new content. Thank you so much for being here. And until next time, make your life creative.